So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Outlook app not sync on Android and not updating the email and calendar. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues that your Outlook not syncing on the Android, so you just follow this video to troubleshoot this issue. For this guys, first of all, check your internet connections. So Outlook need a stable internet connection. So you turn on your airplane mode once and turn it off. Okay, it refresh your internet. Okay, then guys you try to switch between your Wi-Fi and the mobile data, and also you restart your router. Okay, then guys you move to the another step, which is force sync your Outlook manually. For force sync the Outlook manually, you first of all open your Outlook application. After that, simply swipe down. When it start refreshing, you wait and check that the emails are updated. Okay, then guys you move to the another step, which is enable your background data. For enabling your background data, first close your application. Then guys go to the option of Outlook application and just long press on it. Then guys go to the app info. After info, you move downward and guys click the option of, here you check the option of mobile data and Wi-Fi. And guys here you see the option of background data. So make sure it enabled. Okay, then guys you move to the another step, which is disable your battery optimization. Battery saver can stop syncing. For turning off the battery optimization, simply swipe down, and guys here you see the battery saver is disabled. So as like same, you also disable your battery saver. And guys you also try to clear your caches of your Outlook application. For this, simply again move to your application, just long press on it. Again tab of info button. In the info section guys, go to the option of storage and the caches. After that, here you simply click on the option of clear caches. Okay, so these are the things that you can done. And the last thing is you try to update your application. For updating the application, first close your application, then guys go to the option of Play Store. Okay, after moving on the Play Store, go search. In the search section, simply search your Outlook application. Here you search Outlook and update your application. Okay, so this is the way that you can done. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope this video is very helpful for you.